Here is a review for Nextcloud. Nextcloud is accessible to Safari, Chrome, and Google, so it is very easy if you wanted to use it on your own. On the website, you can just go ahead and click on the About option so that you can be more informed about it. Now let's see, what is Nextcloud? Now as you can see, Nextcloud will help you achieve a safe home for all of your data, secure under your control and developed in an open, transparent, and trustworthy website. As you can see, if you need a website or an application where you can go ahead and trust your data, or specifically save files with, Nextcloud is the right one for you because again, it is a user-focused AI or just go ahead and user-focused website wherein you can be transparent without it or with it, as well as it can be downloadable through its website. It can be downloadable to desktop and mobile apps, Nextcloud server, and you can just go ahead and sign up to the website itself. Now here's a review. If you want a good account or website and you're worrying to your data or files with that being hacked, you can go ahead and sign up for Nextcloud because it is a user focus.